is Lucas, and today we are going to be making a taco. So let's begin. So first you need a taco shell, and you also need a tongue. So first you get some lettuce to fill at the bottom of the taco. Just a little, then use the tongue to spread it out like this. Next, you need beef like this. So you get the beef and grab some beef and put it in the taco. And spread it out with your tongue again, and here. Next, you put tomatoes. And if you don't want tomatoes, don't put them. Just a few. Like this. Next, you need onions. Get a little again, then put it on the taco. Then spread it out. And also add cheese at the top. And spread it out. And you've got a taco. You can put like hot sauce or cumin seeds or white pepper or curry powder or whatever you want. So make sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna eat it now. Bye. You need a taco shell. I dropped it.